Good morning, everyone. This is my pleasure to welcome you to this presentation on the journey and achievement of Youth Mappers chapter at IRS Jahangirnagar University. And I am Jubair Rahman, and I have the honor of serving the president of the Youth Mappers at IRS Jahangirnagar University chapter. Now here is our presentation on our activities which is empowering youth for a mapped future. And now, first of all, I would like to tell you something about our chapter. The Youth Mappers at IRS was established at October 29, 2017, and today we stand as one of the most active and impactful chapters in Bangladesh, comprising 63 dedicated members. And we are proud to be a part of global movement contributing to OpenStreetMap and humanitarian OpenStreetMap team hot activities and aid disaster response, infrastructure development and community resilience across Bangladesh. Our collaboration with OSM Bangladesh community and participation in the OpenStreetMap Bangladesh Foundation has positioned us at the forefront of geospatial data initiatives in our country. And here is our recognition from Youth Mappers. And these are our programs. From the beginning of our journey from 2017 till now 2024, we have several of programs, but a little bit gap has been seen in the COVID period, which is a pandemic. And but although it was a pandemic situation all over the world, but we continued our journey and programs through virtual meets and online mapathon, hackathon, etc. And after passing over the COVID-19 pandemic, we started our full-phase activities in offline, and then we arranged so many programs in offline. Here you can see in 2017 we started our programs with OSM Week 2017, and then we collaborated with Eastern University program. In 2020, we meet in a virtual meeting, and 2021 we did a mapathon disaster risk assessment, and in March 2023 we did Opens Day Mapathon. In October 23 we arranged a mapping with AI, and then in November 2023, we arranged geospatial data in DRR, and in September we arranged research with GeoForce, which is the research with using the open sources of data. And then in November we celebrate the GIS Day, and we closed our year in 2023 by arranging a mapathon on playground and recreational fields. And in 2023 we arranged GeoForce program, and in 2024 we started our programs with Youth Mappers Conference on Geospatial Technology in Action, which is maybe the only conference of Youth Mappers community. And now I would like to tell something about GeoForce and our Youth Mappers Conference. And one of our most exciting initiatives is GeoForce Research Mastery, a program designed to harness the power of open source geospatial tools like QGIS, Kobo Toolbox, and OpenStreetMap. This comprehensive training focuses on equipping participants with skills, data acquisition, spatial analysis, and research presentation. Through hands-on sessions, participants not only get technical expertise but also engage in collaborative projects that have real-world impact. And our conference, which is a Youth Mappers Conference on Geospatial Technology in Action, And I would like to shift my focus to a cornerstone event of the chapter's history. And it was held on January 26, 2024. This event was groundbreaking as it was our chapter's first major international conference. Under the theme Empowering Youth for Sustainable Smart Bangladesh, we collaborated with the Open Mapping Hub Asia Pacific, marking a milestone on not only for our chapter but also for the Youth Mappers Network globally. We were honored to get Professor Dr. Roqib Ahmed as the keynote speaker of our Youth Mappers Conference. Over 87 research papers from 17 universities, both local and international, were submitted. After a thorough review, 40 papers were selected across 6 thematic areas showcasing innovation and excellence in geospatial research. And our themes were Phosphor-G for Smart Bangladesh, management, power, energy and mineral resources, climate change and disaster management, urban and rural planning, geospatial and open source, artificial intelligence. Among these, 6 researchers were awarded for their outstanding contributions, and the conference emphasized the transformative role of geospatial technology in addressing societal challenges and fostering sustainable development. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed advisor, Professor Dr. Sheikh Tawhidul Islam, whose guidance was instrumental in the success of this event. And a special thank to the guys who are dedicated organizing committee and all volunteers whose commitment and precision in execution ensured a seamless experience. And here are some programs from this year. In May, we arranged an annual gathering of youth mappers, and in September, we arranged training, leadership, and next year roadmap. We will show our next year roadmap today, and we arranged the disaster mapathon on Cyclone Remal, which was so much devastating. And this also are our activities from previous years. Here you can see our chapter activities in national and international. It was a workshop on hot and mapillary services, and this is our team at Bikash Open Mapathon. And this year, and lastly in this year, we celebrated our GIS Day 2024, which is we hosted a significant title, event title, Building Geospatial Skills, a Beginner's Guide to QGIS and OpenStreetMap. And this workshop aimed at equipping participants with foundational geospatial skills crucial for future mapping projects. And we welcomed 40 enthusiastic students from various departments from Jahangirnagar University, including archaeology, environmental sciences, geography and environment, urban and regional planning, law and justice, and English. Which shows that there are so many fields and there are so many departments who are interested in open mapping and GIS related workshops and other activities. They want to contribute in OpenStreetMap, and they want to contribute in mapping for everyone's better future. So if we can grab those departments and grab those peoples in our community, we could really make a better future using mapping. And then this, as I mentioned earlier, these are our programs in recent years, and these events makes us an impactful and active chapter in Bangladesh. And and you can see, and this was our activities from 2017 to 2023. And since our inception on October 29, 2017, we have consistently organized a wide range of impactful programs, from OSM Week 2017 to recent mapathons for disaster risk assessment and research with Geocause workshops. Our chapter has maintained a continuous flow of activities that cater to various geospatial needs. This diverse program lineup not only enhance our technical capabilities but also keeps our members actively engaged throughout the year. And we actively collaborate with national organizations like OSM Bangladesh and international bodies like HOT and the Open Mapping Hub Asia Pacific. Recently, we have got 6 Open Mapping Guru from Open Mapping Hub Asia Pacific. And these partnerships have expanded our research and influence, allowing us to lead and contribute to high impactful projects both locally and globally, such as our Youth Mappers Conference on Geospatial Technology in Action. Our commitment to mapping for disaster response and community resilience is evident through projects like Cyclone Remote Training and mapathons focused on disaster risk reduction. These initiatives demonstrate our practical impact on critical societal changes, positioning us as leaders in using geospatial data for humanitarian purposes. And we prioritize the inclusivity with events like Women's Day Mapathon and Celebration for GISD. This initiative fosters broader community involvement and encourages diverse participation, strengthening our chapter's presence and impact across different demographics. Our chapter's excellence has been recognized repeatedly, including being named one of the high-performing Youth Mappers chapter of 2022. This acknowledgement highlights our collaborative efforts with local communities and our dedication to advancing geospatial technology in Bangladesh. We are not only focused on present activities but also on future plans, with events like the Youth Mappers Conference in 2024, ongoing Geocause research and leadership training programs, and we are committed to sustainable growth, ensuring our chapters remains at the forefront of geospatial innovation. Now you can see our team. Here is our team. We have almost 63 members, and 38 are executive members and 25 are general members, and we have 60 and 40% ratio of male and female students. Here you can see our team members are 38 executive members, and this is our advisor panel. And let me introduce this event's keynote speaker, Professor Dr. Muhammad Nazrul Islam sir is our advisor, and our overseas advisor is Professor Dr. Sheikh Tawhidul Islam sir. Then Munir Mahmood sir, Kamarani Das ma'am, they are also our advisor, and our IT officers are Krishna Parashad Mondol Dada and Al Zubair Bhai. And I would like to extend my gratitude to our chapter founder, the Al Zubair Bhai and Sandida Binte Alia. And here is our alumni. They worked a lot to strengthen our chapter, and they for their restless effort we can stand here right now. And now you can see our achievements from 2017 to 2023. We got student club sponsorship, and this is our Youth Mappers Mapping Metrics Award from 2022, which is for high performance in 2022. And this is our outreach award from 2023. And this is our contribution. Here we can see we have contributed so many places and so many disaster prone areas all over Bangladesh. And this our here is our top most contributor from youth members at ILS Jahangirnagar University chapter. Here Subroto Devnath is the topmost contributor our contributors, and then we can see Sharafat Islam, and then myself Zubair Rahman, and then Kamruzzaman from JU. Here we can see 4 members from Youth University at top 10 contributors at OSM Bangladesh. So if we all work together, we can we could impact more in OpenStreetMap. And our alumni Sakib Bhai was first runner-up in our Nepal district, and these are our another achievements. Here you can see, and our team Nirvik attended a disaster hackathon 1.0, and they did a lot of good things in that hackathon. And this is our last achievements on Climate Change Challenge 2024, which was roads, and the team roller coaster from Jahangirnagar University secured the 2nd position. And these are our newly appointed Open Mapping Guru from Open Mapping Hub Asia Pacific. And here is our future plan, what we want to do in our next tenure. In October, we begin with the foundational courses into the location science, GIS and geography. Here participants get an overview of the role of GIS and geography in understanding our world. Using tools like QGIS, ArcGIS, we explore the building blocks of geospatial analysis. In November, as we move forward, the courses GIS 101, Introduction to GIS, will provide a deeper dive into the core functionalities of GIS software. Additionally, Open Mapping 101 introduces participants to OpenStreetMap and data management through GeoSM, fostering an open data mindset. In December, in GIS 102, geodata in December we can from December we can see Open Mapping 101, and January GIS, and February on data field, and here you can see all of our activities. And finally, as we move forward, I would like to extend an open invitation to all youth members chapter in Bangladesh and our international partners to collaborate with us on future initiatives. Together we can harness the power of geospatial technology to address with our future initiatives. Together we can harness the power of geospatial technology to address global challenges, enhance disaster resilience, and promote sustainable development. Whether through joint mapathon, research, workshops, or regional conference, your expertise and contributions are invaluable. Let's unite our strengths, share our knowledge, and create a lasting impact on communities worldwide. We believe that through collaboration we can continue to drive innovation and make a meaningful difference. We look forward to working with you in shaping a more connected, resilient, and sustainable future. And thank you.